Let's dive into the Looker dashboard, part of Paradime's Radar suite. This dashboard provides valuable insights into the usage and costs of Looker, helping you optimize implementation, manage expenses, and identify costly or unused content. It's divided into two main sections: Explores and Dashboards. First, let's focus on the Explore section. Here we find the chart named Daily Looker Spend by Explore, which tracks the daily spend for each Explore based on a specified date range. This chart provides an understanding of how much each Explore contributes to the overall costs, helping you spot unusual spending spikes, guide optimization efforts, and allocate resources effectively. Next, we have the Daily Looker Spend by Model chart. This monitors the daily spend across all your Looker models, highlighting which models are driving costs. It helps you prioritize high-cost models for review, allowing adjustments in resources or optimization of models to reduce expenses. The top 10 Looker Explorers by query spend lists the most expensive Explorers by query cost. This identifies high-cost Explorers that may need optimization. Focus on these Explorers to determine whether their cost is justified or if they can be restructured to enhance cost efficiency. Lastly, at the bottom of the Explore section, we have Daily Looker Explorers by query count. This tracks the number of queries for each Explorer, providing insights into usage patterns and correlating query volume with spend. This helps identify frequently used Explorers that should be performance optimized and potentially deprecated unused Explorers to save costs. Now, let's move to the Dashboard section. Here, based on the date range you've selected, you'll find charts like Daily Dashboard Spend, which monitors daily spend on Looker dashboards. This provides visibility into cost patterns and potential spikes in dashboard usage. Use this information to adjust budget allocation and manage costs effectively. At the bottom, we have Active Looker Dashboard Usage, which analyzes active dashboard usage and performance. This shows when dashboards were last assessed, helping you identify underused or obsolete dashboards. Review runtime, query cost, and run-on-load status to identify dashboards needing performance improvements or cost control measures. By using the Looker Monitoring Dashboard, you can optimize Looker usage, control costs, and maximize the value of your Looker investment. Start exploring today to boost efficiency and cost effectiveness.